Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maricel Silva. I live in Dapitan City, Philippines. I am 39 years old, married, have two children, ages 20 and 14. I worked before in Qatar as babysitter in nursery school. I assigned to take care of the kids, ages 2 to 4 years old. Then, during the pandemic happened, the school was closed. I chose to take care elderly couple. Mama is 70 years old and Baba is 90 years old. My daily routine is cooking, cleaning, ironing the clothes, and give breakfast and prepare the medicine for them. I work also in Hong Kong for 1 year and 8 months, terminated with good reason. Taking care of 3 families, which is 7 adults, 1 baby, and 4 dogs. If you choose me, ma'am and sir, as your helper, I will do my best and willing to learn the task that you've given to me. I am trustworthy and hardworking person. Hope to see you so soon in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.